sodas at Mukilteo Bay Washington.
Okay, we're here at Orca Bottling Center. It's really cool. This is a really cool place. They got all the best pop, all the best bottled soda, whatever you want to call it. Do you call it soda or pop?
Soda.
Soda, okay. Yeah. So tell me all about this soda that we got here.
Well, a lot of these sodas are old brands from the early 1900s. Some of these brands we own ourselves. Some of these brands are owned by other families, but they've been around for a long time. Some of these we invent on our own. Some of these we use old recipes that we find in the history books that some of these folks leave behind.
Really cool.
Yeah.
So,
Everything made by scratch, handmade, small batch brewed right here in our facility here in Mukilteo, Washington.
Mukilteo.
Mukilteo.
This is cool.
Big Data.
Yeah, this is awesome. Tell me about, what are these ones?
So this is Shirley Temple. So the Shirley Temple brand has been around for a long time.
Oh, look at that.
Yes, indeed. So this particular brand is owned by a family down in Portland, Oregon. The Shirley Temple name itself has been used by lots of other companies. This is the only one that is officially endorsed by the estate. So this one's very special for us. Lots of fun.
Very awesome, really awesome. What else you got?
We've got our lemonades. We've got our little crazy critters. Those critters are real little.
Yeah.
Very crazy.
Yeah, show me what you got.
Let's see these ones here. So these we sell lots of to the zoos where they have lots of animals on display, science centers for little dinosaurs.
Oh, I happen to be a critter. Do you have any moles?
I don't have any moles.
None for moles?
Not yet.
Oh no, well you definitely have to get some moles.
I've got hippos, I've got gators, I've got monkeys, I've got gorillas, a couple dinosaurs. Did I mention the polar bears?
Oh, polar bears too?
Yes, indeed.
Oh, great.
We'll work on a mole. That would be quite the fun little bottle there.
Nice. Yeah, it would. It'd be a lot of fun. So what are the Lemmy Sparkling? What are these?
That's another old brand. So that one's from the early 1900s, 1939, if I'm reading that box correctly.
1939. That's really old.
That is pretty darn old. So that's another brand that we found and we own that trademark. Again, a lot of these were original sodas that they abandoned a long time ago, and we find them, we bring them back, and we bring them back to the public in their original splendor.
Cool. What about the zombie soda?
That's an interesting project that we have. So the company that makes that is a comic book company, and we partnered with them about 2 years ago. It's more popular for us in the Halloween spooky season, but we do sell quite a bit of that throughout the year.
What other cool sodas do you got? Did you want to show off?
Oh my goodness, we got the Dad's Root Beer. So I don't know if you can see just those few boxes of Dad's Root Beer, but we sell quite a bit of that leading up to Father's Day. Costco in the Northwest in California sells that item. They buy a lot of it. We've got about 80 different brands and about 150 different flavors. So it's a lot for us to keep track of, a lot of variety. All of them very unique. We do a couple of colas, but that's not really what we do the most of. We're primarily root beers, fruit flavored sodas, things of that sort.
80 different brands. You guys ship all over the country?
All over the country and even outside of the country.
Even outside, that's awesome.
Everywhere.
Nice. Do you ship underground to moles?
We don't yet, but we will if someone comes calling.
Nice. Okay, so how can people get a hold of you guys? Where can they find you guys?
The best way is www.orcabeverage.com. We do have online ordering there, and then there's definitely a way to inquire and find our brands wherever they're located. But yeah, we sell largely to small businesses across the USA. Not a lot of huge grocery stores, but primarily locally owned businesses everywhere in the US.
Nice. Be sure to check them out. Be sure to like, subscribe, smash the bell, and buy some of this awesome Orca bottling.
Thanks for stopping in.
Absolutely. All right, bye guys.
Big Data.